Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard, author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. His work can be found at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Predestined relationships. Some people will only love you during certain seasons when everything seems great beneath the bright soaring sun. Others will watch you at your lowest point and know undoubtedly the greatness you were born to be. These are the ones meant for you, and these are the ones who will ultimately bring you joy and shape your destiny. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you and think about 3 things you're grateful for. But this time, let's think of 3 things that you would never usually think about. The small things that usually you take for granted. Let's think of those things right now. I am grateful for socks I get to wear. I'm very grateful for the toothbrush I get to use. And I'm very grateful for the furniture I have. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.